Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install our Wonder electronic tilt adjuster M54 to your camera directly. This installation method is very useful for color camera users who don't use a filter wheel. This installation method is valid for most brands of cameras on the market, including VWO, QHY-CCD, TopTech, and Player One. Typically, first you need to remove the 5mm tilter ring in front of your camera. After removing the tilter plate, you can see that there are 6 screw holes on the camera. We can use these screw holes to fix our Wonder ETA onto your camera. It doesn't matter which orientation you install the ETA. Okay, this angle is okay, this angle is okay, and this angle is also okay. So we just take out the short screws we provided in the package and use the screws to fix the Wonder ETA on your camera. The only thing you need to pay attention to is that you have to remember the angle, the orientation of your camera sensor. Like this is 30 degrees, because this is a very important parameter in our automatic tilt adjustment feature. I recommend you to take a photo of this after you finish the installation. And after that you can connect to your device, to your telescope, or here we have a camera lens. Like this. A very good combination, right? It's very useful for color camera users and camera lens users. And there's another thing. Another thing I would like to mention is that it is not always necessary to remove the tilter plate. Let's first install the tilter plate. Okay. If your telescope does not require the 55mm back focus, so you won't need to remove the tilter plate. Okay. You can directly install the ETA in front of the camera. You can see that there are also 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are also 6 screw holes on the tilter plate. So you can just use the screw holes to fix the ETA onto your tilter plate. Okay, this is also allowed. The only difference is that this way you will have 5mm extra back focus.